Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Talk 5 channel. My name is Novid Puvin. Today I am very happy. I will come back to ask my friend about finishing high school. Let's go. Okay, so now I am this my friend. You can introduce yourself.
My name is Novis Bunkhong.
How are you?
My name is Novis Thailand.
What will you do after finishing high school?
For me, I will continue my study at university and improve my English skill.
How about you?
For me, I want to study at university and improve my English skill.
What is your biggest goal after high school?
My biggest goal after finishing high school is get into a good university.
How about you?
My biggest goal is to get a good education.
Do you want to be a student or worker after high school?
I want to be a student because I want to improve my knowledge before working.
How about you?
I want to be a student.
How do you feel about finishing high school?
I feel very excited but a little nervous.
How about you?
I feel very happy and excited about my future.
Where do you want to study?
I want to study at university, maybe Lagos Institute of Foreign Languages.
How about you?
I want to study international at university.
Who do you want to help after you finish studying?
I want to help my family because they are always support me and help me anything.
How about you?
For me, I want to help my family and friends because they always support me.
So right now, by the end of this video, thank you for listening and watching our videos.
I hope you enjoy it and learn something. The first of all, if you can love our video, please like and share.
See you next time. Have a good day. Bye.